Hi, I'm Constable. I teach a machining and CAM class here at the LISD Tech Center. Machining and CAM is all about teaching students how to learn to cut metal and other materials. It's a real high demand area right now. Employers call quite often looking for apprentices. An apprentice is a person that can get paid to work full-time and then also get their schooling paid for them in the evenings. So it's a real hot job right now, lots of openings. What the class involves is just starting at a very basic level, teaching students about running machines to manually cut metal, meaning the student's going to turn the handles themselves. Later on, as they get through their first year projects and move into their second year projects, they'll start to program machines to cut the metal, which is very interesting for most students, and it's really where the manufacturing industry is going. So they can be at a laptop, use software to develop programs and cut paths to actually cut the parts for them. Again, there's lots of opportunities here. It focuses a lot on math, so if you're good at math, it's a real strong point. One thing to consider, maybe you're not so good at math, but you want to know, where do I apply math? So if we're in here, we're using applied math. So we're typically only in the classroom 1 day a week, so a lot of our learning takes place in the lab. If you need more information about the class, please look up the website and email me or give me a call. Thank you.